Hello everyone! Today we're continuing to work on our favorite Monad Testnet. Just a reminder, on their official website, we can claim tokens every 12 hours. Sometimes it's tricky to claim them, but keep trying a few times and you'll definitely succeed. So let's get started. First, follow the first link. By the way, all links will be in the description below the video. Here, we just need to mint another NFT on the Monad network. Simply connect your wallet, sign the transaction, and mint it. Super easy. Now move on to the second link. This takes us to a site where we need to swap tokens with each other. Do this 3 to 5 times, and I think that'll be enough. The key is to swap different tokens with one another. Next, head to the third link. This site might take a while to load, but don't worry. Just wait a bit, and it'll work. On this site, connect your wallet as usual. Select the Monad network. There are other networks here, so don't mix them up. And then just click the Deploy Your Contract button. That's it. Great job. A quick reminder, you can also repeat the previous activities, so feel free to check out my last video and keep grinding this awesome testnet. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoy my videos, please give this a like and subscribe. The channel is just starting out, and I really need your support.